ये मेधा का फैट सेटअप है। फैट सेटअप के लिए मिनिमम 3 स्टेशन, प्रॉपर फैट सेटअप के लिए मिनिमम 3 स्टेशन कवच चाहिए। स्टेशन कवच, जैसा ये स्टेशन कवच है उसी तरह से दूसरा स्टेशन कवच ये है, और इस तरह से मिनिमम 3 स्टेशन कवच चाहिए, और 2 लोको कवच। ये लोको कवच है, इस तरह का मेधा का लोको कवच। ओके, और यहाँ पर एक आइसोलेशन स्विच है, आइसोलेशन स्विच। ओके, सो अभी राइट नाउ लोको कवच आइसोलेशन मोड में, आइसोलेशन मोड में ये स्विच आइसोलेशन पोजीशन पे है, इसलिए आइसोलेशन मोड में है। अभी मैं इसे नॉर्मल करने के बाद सिस्टम फेलियर मोड है, इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, इसीलिए सिस्टम फेलियर मोड में है। अगर सिस्टम इस तरह से फेल है तो आइसोलेट कर सकते हैं, जो कि पहले आइसोलेशन मोड में था। लेकिन अगर कोई फेलियर है और वो रेक्टिफाई कर दिए, तो अगर कोई फेलियर नहीं है और आइसोलेशन मोड से सर्विस में डाले हैं, तो ये लोको कवच स्टैंड बाई मोड में जाता है। और स्टैंड बाई मोड में आपने जैसे देखा यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिक टेस्टिंग करेगा, जिसमें ब्रेक प्रेशर को भी टेस्टिंग करता है, और सभी कंपोनेंट का इंटीग्रिटी को चेक करने के बाद ये सक्सेसफुल टेस्टिंग सक्सेसफुल माना जाएगा। और उस समय कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए, लोको कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा लोको पायलट को इस तरह से। तो कॉन्फ़िगर करने के लिए DMI के थ्रू जो भी इनपुट देना है वो मिनिमम 2 बटन से एक्सेप्ट करेगा। सो कॉन्फ़िगर एंड कन्फर्म, देन we have to select type of loco train. So I have selected here light engine and confirm, and same thing we have to reconfirm, and thus this list is inverted. उस समय लाइट इंजन ऊपर की तरफ था, अभी ये नीचे की तरफ है। तो रिकन्फर्मेशन के दौरान जो भी लिस्ट है वो रिवर्स हो जाएगा, और उसमें से फिर से वही सिलेक्ट करने के बाद एंटर करना है। उसके बाद अदर पैरामीटर इफ़ आई वांट टू चेंज वी कैन चेंज, अदरवाइज सिंपली वी हैव टू एंटर। सो एंटर करने के बाद फिर इसको कंफर्म करने के लिए कंफर्म को सिलेक्ट करना है टॉगल स्विच से, और ये कंफर्म पे हाईलाइट होने के बाद फिर एंटर करना है। ओके, सो ये कंफर्म होने के बाद स्टैंड बाय मोड में ही ऑप्शन आएगा स्टाफ रिस्पॉन्सिबल मोड या शंट मोड को जाने के लिए। सपोज मैं शंट मोड, शंटिंग करना है तो शंट एंड देन कंफर्म सेलेक्ट करना है, और ये मोड चेंज होकर के शंट मोड में आ गया विथ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड 15 kmph का स्पीड से। और सपोज शंटिंग परफॉर्म हो गया और शंट से बाहर आना है, तो फिर से वही शंट कमांड अनकन्फर्म करके शंट से बाहर आना है। याद रखिए, जब भी शंट से बाहर आते हैं उस समय फिर से ये इंटीग्रिटी एंड ब्रेक प्रेशर्स चेक करेगा, ऑटोमेटिक टेस्टिंग शुरू होगा। टेस्टिंग सक्सेसफुल होने के बाद फिर से कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का ही ऑप्शन आएगा, कंफर्म, और सेम वे में अगेन एनी वन वी कैन सिलेक्ट लाइट इंजन, गुड्स, फ्रेट ट्रेन, पैसेंजर। ये डिफ़ॉल्ट लिस्ट रहेगा जो वेरी करेगा डिवीज़न बाय डिवीज़न, रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से ये कन्फिगरेबल है, इसको कन्फिगर किया जा सकता है। तो यहाँ पर मैंने लाइट इंजन फिर से सिलेक्ट किया, एंटर, और इसी को रिकन्फर्म करना है, एंटर। confirm and enter. So now it is standby mode, and again we have two options to select: shunt mode or staff responsible mode. Suppose I want to go in SR mode, staff responsible mode. We can SR and confirm. Now loco is in staff responsible mode. Okay, so my loco is ready to go. Now here come to the second part. This PC is for the simulation of a station. So here is one application. After opening this application, this is the layout. Here to drag, and we can drag here option to take up the signal or alter the point. If gate is there, then we can operate the gate also. Okay, so suppose I want to go in main line. This is main line. Okay, so what is that direction? This is as per our layout. This is in up, this is a reverse direction. Okay, so reverse direction, RFID tags are there, 505, 503. So like that, entire layout having the RFID tags, from which RFID tag I want to start the loco, we can select or operate as per the requirement. So this is Sanat Nagar station layout. So same layout is here to give input to a station. Suppose I have taken home signal. You have to right click on the signal icon, and here is the option to select the different aspect. Suppose HECR we have selected, and remove the RECR. Different OEM having little different simulator. So here we have option to take all the aspect or neither blank signal also. So I have selected yellow. If I want to go in loop line, then here is point. Here click on the point. We have all option: normal and reverse. Okay, suppose I want to go in reverse, so we have to select reverse and eliminate the normal. So now only NWKR input is available. If I want to give both relay input, NWKR, RWKR, both at a time, we can do that. This is for negative testing. So in that condition, how KAVACH will react, we can check. Even we can set in middle neither NWKR or RWKR blank. So in that case, again we will check whether the moment authority is coming or not coming. Okay, like that we can do the negative testing also. So here I am putting normal for main line. So we have set the normal. Now I am coming to the part. This is loco. This is loco simulator. Here some input to loco we can provide, like selection of cab. Suppose I have selected cab 2. For cab 2, this is reverse direction. Okay, and like that, one potentiometer is there to simulate the speed. If I change that one, loco KAVACH will have the speed data, but when it is flashing, the speed data will not go to the loco due to any reason. Due to brake applying, this potentiometer will be disconnected, means data will not transfer to the loco. So if it is normal, then we have to acknowledge. Once it is acknowledged, that acknowledge this is not letting, then now it is ready. If I change the speed, we can increase. Okay, and once it is increasing, speed data is coming to the loco. Okay, here we can see 14. Even we can increase further, like that we can increase or decrease with the help of this potentiometer. Okay, so this is loco simulator for few inputs. And now this is one more PC. This is for RFID simulator. For this simulator there is option, even we can run the loco in more than one station at a time. Then we can select the different station in sequence. If I want to run loco in single station, then the remaining box to be closed like that. Okay, so only one box for one station, and here is the option to select the different station. Suppose I want to select Sanat Nagar, so SNF like that, and in that Sanat Nagar which route I want, here is the drop down window. From this drop list we can select. So as per field simulation panel, I have set in the main route, so up main line, we can select the up main line. So once station and route is selected, accordingly we'll have the RFID tag list here like that. Different route having the different RFID tag set. So initially first one RFID tag have to select here. This indicates from which RFID tag I want to start the loco. So this is 505. From here I want to run one loco toward the station, so I have selected 505. But one more RFID tag has to select as a end tag. Just next to that 505 will select to just start up the simulator, so that the remaining RFID tag automatically will change. So these two tags will change as per the time lapse. Time lapse, we can change the time. Right now it is 0.5 second, 500 millisecond. We can increase 20,500 millisecond, so that this gap, time gap, must be little bit there between these two tags. Okay, so I have selected 20.5 second. Okay, and this is COM port for RFID tag. For RFID tag we have to select COM port 10. For absolute location have to select COM port 9, because this simulator PC is connected to loco KAVACH through the COM port, and COM port 10 we have attached to the RFID port. Likewise COM port 9 we have linked with absolute location. So after selecting the COM port 10 RFID, this should be in a start mode. We have already clicked on the start. Okay, if you want to disconnect the communication, we can stop. So RFID will be disconnected. Once RFID is disconnected, this logo will go in failure mode. So when it was earlier in failure mode due to this disconnection, I have already connected this COM port 10 by clicking on start button. Okay, so it is okay. Now second button is absolute location start. So this start button, once I have click, after clicking this start button, this RFID tag data will go to the loco. Right now RFID tag data, this logo having speed data but no RFID tag data. TID means tag ID. Tag ID number here it is showing U means undefined. Direction, TIR direction, that is also U, that is undefined. Right now neither RFID tag has been read and no direction has been established. This is T distance, means next tag distance. I'll show you later. This is for the current status of RFID tags. Okay, so right now it is gray, means no RFID tag has been read already. So once RFID tag is read, that will become green. This upper one is latest RFID tag status. Okay, so latest 3 RFID tag status will be shown here, and this is our radio strength. Radio communication strength will appear here as a bar So here it is a blank, so no communication has established right now. And this is mode icon, this is the mode, and here movement authority. So movement authority will come as per the station. Communication, this is loco ID, absolute location will come here, and this is train length. Already we have selected light engine, so accordingly 25 meter has come. Deceleration constant. Here one more column is there, that is for target distance. So we'll see gradually. So now speed is already here. Again, COM port 9 for absolute location I have selected. COM port 10 is selected already, and communication is also established by clicking the start. So now I will start here also, so that RFID tag data will go to the logo coverage. So clicked on the, now list is also appeared here. So 505 is selected. Here you can see 505 tag ID is received, but still direction is not established because only one tag has read. So after reading second tag in 20 seconds, now second tag direction has established. Okay. So direction is R, means reverse, and once direction is established and the loco is in communication mandatory zone, communication with the station will start. So once communication starts from the station will give the authority, movement authority, and logo will go in on-site mode. This is the next mode. After standby mode, it has come on-site mode. Okay. So next signal is home signal. This is our approaching signal aspect. So approaching signal is here in layout, home signal. So home signal we have taken off already on the simulator. Okay, so that's why this is off aspect. Once one stop signal at off aspect is passed, then mode will change to the FS mode. Right now it is on-site mode, and mode will change right now in FS mode. We'll see the approaching signal is 150 meter away. Movement authority is up to next signal, that is a starter, because a starter is not taken off. So up to mainline starter, this is mainline starter. Mainline starter is danger. So up to mainline starter only we have movement authority. If the point is not at satisfactory condition, then this movement authority also will not appear. Suppose I have changed this point condition to reverse. In that case, home signal will be danger, and the movement authority will be up to home signal only. But here home signal is passed by the loco. Now it went to full supervision mode. Okay, and next approaching signal is starter, mainline starter. Mainline starter condition is danger. That's why movement authority up to starter only, and the speed, permitted speed, is also gradually decreasing as per the target distance. This is the target distance. Target distance will appear whenever your permitted speed going to change. Right now permitted speed is 80, but in this distance, that is called target distance, your speed going to be supposed to be 0. That's why we have target distance. So we can increase the speed by rotating this potentiometer. The speed also here increasing. If the speed is exceeding your permitted speed, that over speed will be detected, and accordingly brake also will start applying. We'll see. Okay, so next is danger signals. So your target distance is decreasing, and permitted speed is also decreasing, and wherever difference is found, the brake will be applied. Brake is applying and speed is reducing. It has to stop before the danger signal. So here brake is applied. This is symbol of emergency brake. Earlier it was full service brake. Okay. So now the speed is controlled by the simulator. Okay, again this is full service brake to control the speed. Again brake is applied automatically, but this speed supposed to be controlled by the loco pilot, and loco kavach not required to apply the brake through BIU. This footer will come whenever brake is applied. Footer also will appear. So here successfully loco has stopped before the signal, and hence speed prevention is achieved. So by any reason this danger signal is passed, I am just forcefully trying to cross the signal by taking the notch. Okay. So this system will go to trip mode. Once the danger signal is passed, that loco will go to trip mode. The advantage of trip mode is the emergency brake will be continuously applied, and there is no chance to roll forward the loco in infringement range, and hence this is how collision will be avoided. So here if I want to further operate the loco, we need to release the emergency brake. So we have to select the post trip mode, confirm. So now loco will go in post trip mode. So now brake has released, and this loco has shifted to post trip mode. Here still we don't have authority to move. Here is our choice to pull back the loco, or if we want to go ahead, then we have to select override. If we want to pull back, then we have to select the reverse mode, reverse, and then confirm. It will go the reverse mode, but that is everywhere not applied. It depends upon the station configuration. So here if I want to go ahead, then have to select override request. I am requesting override. So once override button is pressed and confirm, then this override request went to station kavach, and this station kavach will authorize to go ahead with a restricted speed of 15 kmph, and that mode will also change to on-site mode. And here cab signaling also will not be available. Signal aspect cannot be seen till 200 meters. So now here I am moving the loco. This is 15 kmph ceiling. If it is exceeding the speed ceiling, again brake will be applied. Like this is a normal brake. If speed is more, then again different braking criteria will be applied. To control the speed. So this on-site mode will be till passing the next signal at off aspect. We'll see. So wherever your permitted speed is going to reduce, then we'll have the target distance. Here in 50 meter, where our PSR is 75 kmph, that's why we have the PSR target distance. So I am going to take up the advanced starter. Right now advanced starter is danger, so I am going to take off this advanced starter, remove the RECR. So here movement authority also will increase accordingly. So here movement authority has increased, but still it is in on-site mode, but within 200 meter we have signal aspect also, but still restricted speed till we pass this signal. And here is the latest 3 RFID tag status. All the 3 RFID tag is green, means green, it is red, means available. If it is not available, it is not missed, then it will become red. Okay, so after this passing advanced signal, it again went to full supervision mode. Mode has changed. Thank you.